Hello, hi, and welcome back. This is the last video of explaining IA prompts and exhibition in general. So let's start. Number 31. How can we judge when evidence is adequate? It is the same as number 19. What's a good evidence? So if you want to choose this one, then go and choose number 19. Number 32, what makes a good explanation? It's about presentation of knowledge. How can you explain? So you can use items from your real life or even lessons. Sometimes you don't understand. Some of the teachers try to just complicate everything. I hope I'm not doing that, because TOK seems complicated already, and if I try to make it simple. So what makes a good explanation? You know what, to be honest with you, this is not a good prompt to choose. But if you want to choose it, it's about presentation of knowledge. Number 33, how is current knowledge shaped by its historical development? It's the same as number 13. I don't know why they just changed it couple of words and make it another prompt. That's it, number 13. And number 13 is a better one, so forget about this one. Number 34, in what ways do our values affect our acquisition of knowledge? Again, it's number 11. Can knowledge change values? That is a way better IA prompt to work with, so forget about this one too. And last one, number 35. In what ways do values affect the production of knowledge? IB, seriously? I mean, again, now production instead of acquisition. Okay, so yes, you know, these last IA prompts, they were just trying to reach number 35, I think. This is what I think. So what is next? Okay, essay. If you haven't watched the essay unit, then after this, whenever you are ready, whenever you need it, go and watch that. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'm not sure if you enjoyed, but I hope it was very helpful for you and you learned a lot, and now you know how to form your exhibition. Have a great, fantastic time and take care.